In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive upload date. To begin, open Google Drive and go to your Drive homepage where you can see your files and folders. Before we make any changes, it's important to understand one key detail. Google Drive does not provide a built-in option that lets you manually edit a file's upload date or created date. That information is managed by Google as part of the file's metadata, mainly for tracking and system record purposes. So if your goal is to make a file show a newer upload date, the practical workaround is to remove the current version from Drive and then upload the same file again. This won't directly edit the original date field, but it will create a newly uploaded version of that file in your Drive, which will display a fresh upload date. Once you're on your Drive homepage, find the file whose upload date you want to change. Next to that file, click the three-dot menu to open more options. This menu gives you access to file actions like moving, sharing, downloading, and deleting. From that menu, click Move to Bin. This removes the existing file from your main Drive view. If you may need the old version later, keep in mind that it will remain in the bin until it is permanently deleted, so you still have a short safety window if needed. Just make sure you are comfortable removing that current file before continuing. After that, click the New button in Google Drive. This is the button you'll use to upload content from your computer or device. Choose the option to upload a file, then select the exact same file again from your device storage. Be careful to pick the correct file so you don't accidentally upload an older or different version. Once the upload finishes, Google Drive will treat it as a newly uploaded file. That means the upload date shown in Drive will now reflect the time of this new upload instead of the earlier one. In other words, the upload date has effectively been changed using this workaround. A helpful tip here is to double check the file name and contents after re-uploading, especially if you manage multiple similar documents. That can help you avoid confusion and make sure the correct file is now active in your Drive. And that's all it takes. By deleting the existing file from your Drive view and uploading the same file again, you can refresh the upload date shown in Google Drive.